combinational circuit, I've already explained this to you. Combinational circuit. Now we need to understand what is it. Whenever we design a logic circuit, it comprises of number of gates and it has, let us say, n inputs and m outputs. N inputs and m outputs. There may be a number of inputs and there may be a number of outputs. That is not fixed for any of the logic diagram कि हमारे कितने inputs होंगे और कितने outputs होंगे. This combinational logic circuit, this is a combinational circuit. ठीक है? When I am saying a combinational circuit, it clearly means कि whatever input I am giving, accordingly the output I'll be getting. It is completely dependent only on input. Completely only on input. Matlab, if I am giving A, B, and the output is, let us say, X, and it is a simple AND gate. What is it? It's a simple AND gate. Here I am having A and here I am having B. So, depending on my combinations, I'll be getting output. Correct? So, what is it? This nothing but depending on these two combinations, depending on these two input sets, I'm getting my output. Now, if I connect it to further any other gate, definitely it will depend on only these two inputs. That is what is a combinational circuit, where the output depends only on the inputs that we are giving. The number of input varies. That is, it depends on the combinational circuit, what kind of combinational circuit we are designing. Depending on that, the number of input varies, and these m outputs will depend on the inputs combinations. Is that clear? This is a simple combinational circuit. Now we have another circuit which is known as a sequential circuit. Sequential circuit. Now this is different from the combinational circuit. Now what is a sequential circuit? You need to understand. Here we have a feedback. This output is given to a feedback system and this is fed back again to the same circuit. Clear? So what is happening? The output is not only depending on the present input, it is also depending on the output, the previous output also, because it is again fed back to the same circuit. Is that becoming clear? This is what is a sequential circuit. This is how the combinational and the sequential is defined. Combinational circuit will be having only this part. This is our combinational part. But if we are having this also, the feedback part, then it becomes a sequential circuit. That we'll study in our next unit. वो हम next unit में पढ़ेंगे. But for this unit, we need to understand this is a combinational and it depends only on input combinations. Is this clear, students? The combinational and sequential का difference is clear. What actually happens in the sequential circuit? We are having a memory element. मतलब यहाँ पर the previous output is stored here. Previous output जो यहाँ से आता है, that gets stored here, and with the next set of combination of the input, this output is again fed back to the combinational circuit. That is to this particular circuit. क्लियर? होता क्या है, ये कंप्लीटली आपका क्लॉक पे चलता है. डिजिटल completely works on clock. We already know this thing. Clear? What happens for this particular clock? हमने कुछ input combinations दिया. For those we have got certain output. Now that output is stored here. तो जैसे हमारा second clock high होगा, तो क्या होगा, ये आपका दूसरा input combination already यहाँ पे रहेगा, and even this will be given to the second clock pulse. So including input, this is also the previous output is also given to the combinational circuit, and this is forming a sequential circuit. Is this concept becoming clear, students? Just tell me the difference between the combinational and sequential is clear or not. This is just, if this is there, it's a combinational, and if we are giving the feedback of the output to the circuit, it becomes a sequential circuit. Clear? So that is what is a combinational and sequential difference. So we'll be studying about the different combinational circuit in this unit. The first combinational circuit is adder. The first combinational circuit is adder. Now in this, we'll be studying about half adder and full adder. Now the difference between the half adder and full adder is important to understand. If suppose I'm adding 0 and 1. If I'm adding 0 and 1, this is just a binary addition. What will happen? This is 0. Clear? Sorry, this becomes 1. ठीक है? This is just a single bit. एक ही bit है. This is our first input. This is our second input. So depending on these two combination, we'll be getting certain output. अगर हम 0 0 ऐड करते हैं, the output will be 0. ठीक है? Now this is A and this is B, and let us take it as sum. ये दोनों का output है. This is a 0 0. This will be 0. Now if I give 0 and 1, what would be my output? The output is 0 plus 1 is 1. The summation will be, sorry, the sum output will be high and it will go 1. And if it is 1 and 0, what will be the output? Output will again 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Now if I am giving 1 and 1, what will happen? 1 and 1, what would be my sum output? Yes? Students reply, 1 plus 1 is?
0.
Yes, it's 0. Where is my another bit goes? It will go in carry. That is my another output. Clear? So that is actually the answer of this is 1 0. But when we are designing a circuit, we get output only of 1 bit. एक ही bit का output possible है, so it will just give you 0. Now the another bit goes high, which is a carry output. So we'll be having two outputs. One is sum, another one is carry. And this carry will remain 0 for these combinations. ये तीनों combination में the carry will 0. Clear? And it will go high only if the combination is 1 and 1. ठीक है? So this is how the half adder is designed. Half adder, we are adding only single bits. Half adder, we are adding only single bits. That is becoming a half adder. Okay. Now here we have a half adder circuit. A, B, sum, carry. This is the truth table. As I've written, for 0 0, it's 0. Carry is also 0. 0 1, it is 1, carry is 0. 1 0, it's 1, carry is 0. 1 and 1, sum is 0, carry goes high. Can anyone write the expression for S and C? S कब high जा रहा है? When the S is going high? For what combination of A and B S is going high? Yes? Just see the combinations where S is going high. What is it? Reply, students. When S is going high? Yes, it's an XOR. When the input is a different combination. So, this is A, this is B, and this is our sum. Simple. ये हमारा sum हो गया. A, B अगर different होगा, we'll get a sum output. And when my carry is going high, it's going high when both are 1 and 1. What is it? It's the same input. तो हम कौन सा गेट यूज करेंगे? And no, not or. Why or? और तो आपका 1 0 0 1 में भी हाई हो जाता है, right? And goes high only when both are 1 and 1. So this becomes carry. तो ये आपका half adder design हो गया. Clear? So this is how we get a half adder circuit. Now, half adder is clear, everyone? Half adder is clear, right, everyone? We'll proceed to full adder. Now, if we talk about the full adder circuit, full adder, we are taking A, B, and C in as an input. Now, what is actually a C in? C in is nothing but the carry that we are taking. यहाँ पर हमने carry लिया था, carry is taken as an output, but that can be an input for the next bit combination. Like if I am taking A as 0 1 1 1 and B as 0 1 0 1. This is the 4-bit A and this is a 4-bit B. Here A and B are not single bits. They can be a number of bits also. A आपका 4-bit हो सकता है, B भी आपका 4-bit हो सकता है, right? So when we are adding these two, so here in this one we will definitely get a carry in input. यहाँ पर जब हम इन दोनों को add करेंगे, what will happen? This is 0 1 0 1. If I am adding these two, 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1 is 1 0 0. 1 is carry, right? 1 is carry. तो ये आपका input है. This is nothing but an input. So 1 plus 1 plus 0. This becomes again 0. This goes high. Clear? Now here again 1 plus 1 plus 1. It will be 1 and 1 is carry. This will be 1. This is how we add the two numbers if they are more than 1 bit. Now in this one we are taking C in as our input. हम उसको as an input ही लेंगे. This is nothing but our input. So what actually we are doing? We are taking it as input combinations A, B, and C in. Now with these three inputs, how many combinations are possible? 3 input के कितने combination हो सकते हैं? This is about full adder. This is a full adder circuit. With the 3 input, how many combinations are possible? Yes? Students, reply fast. 8 combinations. Correct. So we'll write all the 8 combinations. Can anybody tell what would be our output? Output क्या होगा? Yes? Yes. Can anybody tell what would be our output? output will definitely be sum, S तो हो गए, and will have a carry output also, C out. Actually ये जो out होगा, ये output है, that will be taken as input also. ये आपका input में भी दिखेगा. Actually it will be an input also. Clear? तो यहाँ पर जो output आ रहा है, यहाँ पर just come here students, ये आपका sum हो जाएगा. 1 plus 1 0. यहाँ पर एक output आएगा. This will be our carry output. तो ये आपका दूसरे बिट में C in हो जाएगा. Clear? That will be a C in for the next bit combinations. ठीक है? So basically we are taking the different combinations of A, B and C in. Let us take the combinations 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 and 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. These are the possible combinations that we have taken. Now with these combinations, we'll see what would be our sum and what would be our carry out. Clear? 0 plus 0 plus 0, sum will be 0. There will be no carry out. This will also be 0. 0 plus 0 plus 1. Sum goes 1, carry is 0. Clear? Now 0 plus 1 plus 0. Sum is 1, carry will still be 0. Here 0 plus 1 plus 1. What would be my sum and what would be my carry out? क्या होगा? Yes. Sum is
0.
0. Carry out will be 1.
1.
Correct. Here 1 plus 0 plus 0. Sum is 1. Carry out is 0. 1 plus 0 plus 1. Again sum is 0. Carry out will be high. Wherever we'll have two ones in the combination, the sum will be 0 and the carry out is high. Okay? 1 1 0 0 and 1. Clear? Then 1 1 1. What will be sum and carry out? 1 1 1 में क्या होगा? Sum will also be 1 and carry out will also be 1. ठीक है? So that is the difference between half adder and full adder. Half adder we add only a single bit. हम यहाँ पर सिर्फ single bit addition करते हैं. Clear? Now here we are adding more than a single bit. So here we are getting a carry in input. एक और इनपुट मिल जाता है क्योंकि हम ज्यादा बिट एडिशन कर रहे हैं. So because of that we are having a C in input and the sum is the output will be sum and the carry output. Can anybody design full adder? Full adder design कर सकते हैं? Yes. Where the sum is going high and where the carry out is going high. Give me the expression for full adder. Sum का expression निकालो और carry out का expression निकालो. Do first. Send me the expression for sum and for carry out. Sum कहाँ पर high जा रहा है? Sum is just check out where sum is going high and just check out where carry is going high. Yes. Students, just check out where sum is going high. Sum is going high for these two combination here and here. So what can be the sum? Yes, sum is A bar, B bar, C in this one plus A bar, B, C in plus this is our A bar, B, C in bar. Clear? this one is A bar B C in bar plus this one A B bar C in bar plus the last one A B C in. Is this expression clear, everyone? ये clear है कि नहीं? Just tell me. We can
Yes,
reduce, just before you are right, we can just reduce it and it becomes A XOR B XOR C in. That's correct. That is the final output of sum. ठीक है? But this is the expression first we'll write down as we have got from this one. ठीक है? Now after reduction ये reduce हो जाएगा, वो आप खुद करोगे. Sum is A XOR B XOR C in. Directly we can write A XOR B XOR C in. Now give me the expression for carry out also. Carry out का expression लिखो जल्दी से. For full adder. Yes. Carry out, C out for full adder. C out. C out is what? It's going high for this combination. It's high for this combination here and this one. These are the four combinations where my C out is going high. So we can write the expressions. That one is A bar B C in plus the second one, this one, A B bar C in plus this one, A B C in bar, and the last one, A B C in. So this is how we'll write the expression A bar plus B plus C in प्लस क्या नहीं रहेगा बीच में, it will be A XOR B C in. If we reduce it, this becomes A XOR B C in. Now A XOR B कैसा होगा? From here we can write it as A bar B and A B bar. यहाँ से हम C in निकाल लेंगे, ठीक है? तो ये आपका A XOR B हो जाएगा. And this one is, sorry, एक मिनट. Yeah. From these two, this is C in bar and this is C in. तो हम A B निकाल लेंगे. तो ये आपका हो जाएगा plus A B. ठीक है? यहाँ से हमने C in निकाल लिया. From these two, we have taken C in out. This is A bar B and this is A B bar. So that becomes A XOR B. C in is taken out. And from these two, since A B is common, bracket inside में क्या रहेगा? C in plus C in bar plus C in. So what is this? This is just 1. So the expression becomes this one. This is A XOR B C in plus AB. Clear? So this is the C out expression. And we can easily design this also. What is our sum? Sum क्या है? A B. This is A. This is B. This is A XOR B. Now we need to give another input. And this input is C in. Okay? Now this is given to the another XOR gate. This becomes A XOR B XOR C in. This is our sum output. Now what is our carry? Same circuit में हमें सम और कैरी दोनों शो करना है. That's important. Don't ever try to design this as a different circuit and this as a different circuit. क्यों? Because A, B, C आपका इनपुट है सेम सर्किट में और उसी सर्किट का सम और कैरी आउट आउटपुट है. Clear? So we'll have to design in the same circuit for carry out also. Carry out भी इसी में डिजाइन करना है. So how the carry out is designed? What is it? That is A XOR B C in. A XOR B C in क्या हो रहा है? We have a AND gate here. ठीक है? So here from this and this is our C in. It's given to an AND gate. Is this clear? From here we are giving C in and this is A XOR B. This output becomes A XOR B into C in. What is this? This one is one more AND gate. Here this is just AB. अब क्या करना है? What do we need to do next? अब next क्या करना है? Yes. What do we need to do next? What do we need to do next, students? OR gate. Correct. So here we have AB and A XOR B, C in. Both will get ORed. This is getting ORed. This becomes carry out. So this is our full adder circuit. Is the full adder circuit clear? This is very simple to design any of the circuit. ठीक है? We can easily design any of the circuit if we know the expressions. अगर हमें expressions पता है, we just need to know the expression. With the help of those expressions, we can easily design our logic diagram. ठीक है? Where we can have the number of gates. So this is the expression for carry out and this is the expression for sum in the full adder. Full adder is used to design, is used where we need to have more number of bits in the inputs. Inputs में आपके बहुत सारे bits रहते हैं, तो we make use of full adder. Otherwise we use half adder. ठीक है? Now we can even design full adder by using half adders. हम हाफ एडर को यूज करके भी फुल एडर डिजाइन कर सकते हैं. There is a way that we can design full adder by making use of half adders. Now we know what is a half adder? Sum. Half adder का sum क्या होता है? What is the output of half adder sum? What is the output of half adder sum? Yes, reply fast everyone. What is the output of half adder का sum का output क्या होता है? 1004. What is it? I'm asking about expression. Sum का expression क्या होता है half adder का? Yes, it's XOR. Correct. A XOR B. Half adder में we are having just two inputs. It's A XOR B. That's it. And how can we write it? It is A bar B plus AB bar. This is how we write the XOR output. Yeah. So this is A bar B and AB bar. This is our sum. And what is our C out in half adder? Half adder का C out क्या होता है? What is the C out in half adder? What is the C out in half adder? It's just AB. AND gate. It's just a AND gate, right? It's just AB. That's it. Now we need to use this particular circuit to design a full adder. हमें full adder design करना है by using half adder. Now I have a adder circuit. This is my half adder. Here I'm giving my two inputs, A and B. Okay? So this is how I'll get my two inputs, and the outputs will be, one is the out, which is AB. Another is sum, which is A XOR B. Okay? If I just write it in a block, this is a half adder circuit. Inside we'll be having all the connections of the gates. Here this side is an input and this side is an output. So here I am giving AB and this is my output. This is C out and this is my sum. Now I need to have one more half adder to design a full adder. I'll take another half adder here. Now the output of this half adder, which is sum. What is the output of my full adder? Sum का output क्या होता है? It is A XOR B XOR C in. So here I am getting A XOR B, and from here I am giving C in. So my final sum will be what? The first input to this half adder is A XOR B. The second input to this half adder is C in. यहाँ पर से क्या आ रहा है? A XOR B. And from here we are getting C in. यहाँ से C in जा रहा है. So the final output will be A XOR B XOR C in. Clear? So this is going to be my final output. That is final sum. This is the output of full adder. Now what is my second output? ये क्या होगा? What would be my second output? This is A XOR B. A XOR B. What would be my second output of this half adder? Half adder का दूसरा output क्या होता है? That is just AB. मतलब हम AND करते हैं. जो भी दो इनपुट रहता है उसको हम AND करते हैं. तो यहाँ से A XOR B जा रहा है. From here we are giving C in, right? So this output will be A XOR B into C in. Clear? So this is my second output of the second half adder. Is this become clear, students? यहाँ पर तक clear है कि नहीं है? ये हमारा first half adder है, ठीक है? First half adder I have given two inputs A and B. And we know the output of half adder. The first output is sum, which is A XOR B. Second output is C out, which is just AB that we have studied. तो यहाँ पर हमारा AB आ गया, यहाँ पर हमारा sum आ गया. Now I've taken another half adder here, and I've taken the third input. The third input is given to the second half adder along with the sum output of first half adder. इसका जो output था, this is given as an input to second half adder. Now I have two outputs of this half adder. Second half adder का दो output होगा. This is my first output sum. Sum क्या था? It is just A XOR B. अगर दो input है, as it was A XOR B, but here the inputs are A XOR B is my first input and the second input is C in. So it will be A XOR B XOR C in. Clear? Now this is my second output of the second half adder, and this is just AND of the two inputs. So my first input is A XOR B, second input is C in. Now what do I need to do for designing it as a full adder? क्या करना पड़ेगा मुझे? Just anyone reply. What do I need to do to design it as a full adder? I want reply from your side. Just see the circuit. What else is required? यहाँ पर हमें इसको पूरा full adder डिजाइन करना है. Full adder का sum आ चुका है. Full adder का sum is A XOR B XOR C in. Full adder का carry out. What was that? It was A XOR BC in plus AB, यही था, ठीक है। AB will take from here, यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी है, it's already here, ठीक है। AB is already here, so we'll take AB from here and we'll take A XOR B C in from here. What do I need to do? I need to OR it. That's it. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा C out हो जाएगा, फाइनल C out of a full adder. Now this has been designed as a full adder. ये पूरा आपका full adder बन चुका है. Is this clear? The designing of a full adder using half adder. Is this clear or not? Just tell me if it is clear. Clear, right? Everyone? How many half adders are required? How many half adders are required? 2 half adder. And what else is required? What else is required? Including 2 half adder, we need a OR gate. Correct. So we need to have 2 half adders and 1 OR gate to design a full adder circuit using half adders. हमें अगर हाफ एडर से फुल एडर डिजाइन करना है तो वी नीड 2 हाफ एडर्स एंड 1 OR gate. That's it. And we can easily design our full adder circuit. ठीक है? So is the concept clear, everyone? चलो ठीक है. That's all for today. Otherwise we'll get late. सबको समझ में आ गया, right? Anyone who is still not clear with this? Adder is clear? Half adder and full adder? Everyone?